Hi, my name's Sumner. I'm an Amazon seller, and I'm currently running Amazon PPC campaigns with an ACoS of less than 10%. And I'm going to show you how to do the exact same. I've spent literally tens of thousands of dollars on Amazon PPC advertising, attending expensive conferences, and watching dozens of hours worth of YouTube videos. Through months of trial and error, I finally discovered 8 secret Amazon PPC campaigns that are extremely easy to set up and maintain, as well as extremely profitable. It's crazy that so many Amazon sellers have no idea about these campaigns, and I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. In this course, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to setting up 8 highly profitable Amazon PPC campaigns that any Amazon seller can set up with a professional selling account. Amazon PPC strategies that can lower your ACoS starting today, how to stop competitors from stealing more of your sales, how to easily beat weak competitors and ethically steal their sales, how to command Amazon's algorithm to find you insanely profitable keywords while you sleep, how to identify and target extremely low competition keywords, and so much more. Whether you're a complete beginner to advertising on Amazon or you're an existing Amazon seller that wants to set up campaigns that are significantly more profitable than the campaigns you have now, then this course is for you. The best part about all of this is if you do not find the content in this course extremely valuable, Udemy will give you a full 30-day money-back guarantee. There's literally nothing to lose and so much to gain. Enroll now, and I look forward to seeing you inside.